Go for it, no day's the same. It got a stigma with paperwork and marking, but obviously if you manage your time well, that would be fine. Go for it, young people love it, fantastic opportunity.
Go for it. You know, there are lots of different roles in teaching. I think a lot of people think teaching is one thing, it's just standing in the classroom and teaching to young people, but I recommend having a look on council websites, speaking to careers advisors, because there are so many different forms of teaching and interacting with kids.
To go out there and be responsible for other children scared me, if anything, but you know, within your first week of doing your teacher's training, you know, I think you see that children actually are lovely, lovely people, and you can have so much fun with them. They keep you young, you know, they keep you cool, and yeah, no, it's a great profession. I'd advise anyone to do it.
Definitely be prepared. You can't wing it. It's something that lots of people here take really seriously, and which sounds scary, but the more prepared you are, the more you get out of the children.